We have added a feature in 9.4.1 to anonymize IPFIX, Netflow data, and firewall log output. So starting in 9.4.1, there are two new places in the UI that you can configure the system to change the way log exports function. In the syslog, the logging template, which is essentially the syslog template, you'll notice that there's a new section here, anonymize IPs. You can check this. And then when you check that, you can select the bit mask length. So this just zeroes out whatever part you specified. So if you do /24, it'll be 192.168.1.0. Regardless of what was in the flow table, we will just flatten the last octet. If you have /16, then you'd see 192.168.0.0. So when you look at your flow collector, or when you look at your flow collector, you'll see that there's a 192.168.0.0 host that is sending a lot of traffic, because all the traffic will appear to come from that single masked IP. When you click the Anonymize button, it does JSONify automatically for syslog. That means that the syslog is sent in structured format and JSON format. You can also click the JSONify button here without clicking the Anonymize IPs. So we've sort of ninja'd or covertly added a JSON firewall export format to the product as a part of this project. That could be useful to some folks. This only applies to the firewall log facility. So there's a CLI for this, logging privacy mask, and then logging privacy mask length. You can templatize this. There's also a local logging appliance setting for this option. And also, very importantly, local logs still retain the original IP address. So if you go into the UI, or you go into the varlog messages, or any of the messages files that we have in the product, you will still see those original source IPs. So only for the output or the export where we do the anonymization. The second place is anonymizing Netflow and IPFIX. It's exactly the same thing.